What happens if you have TPS and you get a negative decision from the asylum office? And if you don't have TPS yet, does it make sense to apply for it if you've got an asylum case pending? So yeah, if you have TPS, it affects things in the sense that if you get a negative decision, you don't get sent to court, you don't get put in deportation proceedings, you don't have a chance to sort of present your case again in court. However, I think it's better. I think it's better to have TPS and be protected from being placed in deportation proceedings. I totally understand this idea that like, oh no, I want another chance. I want to fight, I keep fighting my case in court, but I think it's better to not be in deportation proceedings. I tend to think it's better to have TPS and be protected against being put in deportation proceedings, even though you don't get another chance after a negative decision from the asylum office. Having TPS does not affect the merits of your asylum case. It's not a negative or positive factor for purposes of whether you get a positive or negative decision from the asylum office, okay? But you definitely can apply for TPS even though you have an asylum case pending, okay? And it doesn't really affect anything in the process except for what happens next if you get a negative decision from the asylum office. That's the only way that TPS matters to your pending asylum case.